boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Florence and the Machine. This song is called Dog Days Are Over. They're over. Alright, so we have this song here that goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. This 3-chord progression song here with a little twist there in the end. And it's pretty much based upon a ukulele, so we have a specific sound for this song, but we'll try to apply that on a guitar to get it as close as possible when it comes to the sound. Anyway, enough talk, let's dive into this song. No need for any capo on this one. We'll go over the 4 chords needed here. So we'll start with the G first. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then for the ending there, we also need the F. So that's a bar chord. It's a bar placed on the 1st fret over all strings. And then 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's the rest of it. So G, A minor, E minor, and F. Alright, so like I said, we have a specific sound here, ukulele sound. To do that in the best way, it's like working with down-ups here for the song. So I would like to do a chord progression, a strumming pattern that is down-up, down-up. So we could break it down to just a down-up, but that will be many times of counting how many downs you have down-up for a specific chord. So in that way, down-up, down-up, that will be easier to get the feeling for when it's time to switch to the next chord. So down-up, like this for G is 1 string around. Much easier now. So that means almost the entire song goes G, 10 rounds of it. All right, so you understand 20 rounds to count down up will be very much. So 10 rounds of down up. Then 2 rounds of A minor. And then 4 rounds of E minor. So G, 10, A minor 2, E minor 4. A little slower like this. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A minor, and E minor, 2, 3, 4. And that is 1 chord progression round. So with tempo, like this. That is going on till about 3 minutes and 31 seconds into the song, almost the entire song. And just to stay a little bit with this and mention that when I do the strumming here, I just don't go down, up. That will be very boring for me as a player and as a sound as well. So I try to do a little bit of down, up on the bass strings, and the next down, up, I'll go down to the top strings. So I pretty much alternates where I do the down ups here. So bass, top. That's pretty much how I think in my head and how I try to play when I do 1 strumming around. So instead of doing down ups over all strings and through the entire song, it will sound a little bit crazy like this. A little bit boring, and so refined. Down up on the bass and then down up on the top. That's 1 strumming pattern. Much easier to have the feeling for the chord switches there as well. Okay, so just some technique stuff there to mention. And like I said, 3 minutes and 31 seconds into the song, then the chord progression changes here. All right, so that's why we need the F. Now you're gonna play F for 4 string rounds. then A minor for 2, and G for 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, and next round. And this is going on for what I believe is 3 or 4 rounds or so. I'm not really sure. That's pretty much in the end of the song. And then after these 3 or 4 rounds, I'm not sure there, you end on the G, of course, like you do in this chord progression, F, A minor, G. And then you just stick with G and play down ups like this, and it fades out on the G. And that pretty much covers Florence and the Machine's Dog Days Are Over, but not Gordon Days. So please feel free to subscribe to this channel. We'll go on here. If you love Florence and the Machine and other songs covered before here on Gordon Guitar, they will pretty much be back here. I take songs that I enjoy and they will for sure be back. So feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thumb up this tutorial if you liked it, and till next time guys, play tuned.